Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys oppo mobile guys brightness problem fix setting. How to fix brightness problem, how to solve brightness problem in oppo mobile. Friends, in your oppo mobile your phone brightness increase and decrease automatic. So friends, how to solve brightness problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. So friends, in your Oppo mobile, sometime your phone brightness increase automatic, sometime brightness decrease automatic. So friends, open your phone brightness setting, display brightness setting. After friend display brightness, you can see this type interface. So friends, second option you will find here auto brightness mode setting and adaptive brightness mode setting. So friends, click here auto brightness off setting. After off friends, your problem solved. And friends, you can decrease brightness, you can increase brightness without any problem. Friends, you can adjust your brightness from here. Right side increase, left side decrease. And friends, your mobile brightness will not increase, brightness will not decrease automatic. And friends, again if you on auto brightness friends, you can see I have increased brightness friends, brightness will decrease automatic. Wait and watch. So friends, if you on auto brightness, so friends your phone brightness will increase, brightness will decrease automatic according to your environment. So friends, you want to use auto brightness setting, so you can use auto brightness setting. And friends, you want to turn off, so you can turn off from your right side. Friends, you can increase brightness, you can adjust brightness in your Oppo mobile. And friends, second option you can see eye comfort mode setting. Friends, you want to use, so friends you can on your eyes protection mode setting. And friends, you should on at night. After on friends, you can look at on your screen easily, you can use your phone. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix brightness problem in Oppo mobile.